Have you ever seen these bright little birds? These are lovebirds. They come in many colors. Some are bright green with an orange face. Others can be yellow, blue, or soft peach, like little flying pieces of sunlight. But their colors are not the most special thing about them. Lovebirds live in pairs. Many stay together for life. If one bird loses its partner, it can become quiet, stressed, and very lonely. They love being close. You will often see them sitting side by side, grooming each other, or gently touching. Lovebirds are very social. They are noisy, playful, and full of energy. They chirp and call all the time because they love to communicate. In the wild, they live in Africa in small groups. For them, home is not just a place. It's being together. Maybe we can learn from them how to care for each other and stay close to